Baby, do you understand? You appeared in the Caucasus Mountains of southern Russia now. Amazing lyrics when you begin to study the lineage of a man called Abraham and look into the roots that go all the way back. And the question, I guess, is now, do you understand? Do you understand that the children of Israel were really never lost at all? As you have heard in this presentation, the names were changed. The Assyrians in their tablets had used different terms, but we know those people were the same people, and they fulfilled the words, and the words of God still stand. Multitude of people going in many directions to form many nations. Mr. Capp's book, Missing Links Discovered, is one that I would recommend to you. If you would like to have this book, Missing Links Discovered, I would highly recommend you order it. It's available from our ministry for a $10 offering. The address is just simply Truth for the Times, P.O. Box 766, LaPorte, Colorado, 80535. What you've heard in this brief interview with Mr. Capp has just been a portion of a whole wealth of information that's in the book. For example, Mr. Capp, I noticed you spent a whole chapter comparing the similarities between the Hebrew language and the English language.
The ancient British language is the Welsh Gaelic. We find almost all the words can be matched up with Hebrew words. I made a test one time. I was in Wales, and I had a Welshman I spent the night with, and I asked him, he'd give him some words in Hebrew, and to look at his Welsh words. He realized he could read Hebrew without even knowing he could, by tracing the words were so similar, the Welsh word and the English word. In fact, all the roots of the Hebrew word, Gaelic words can be traced right back to Hebrew. So he was surprised.
Well, you'll also be surprised, ladies and gentlemen, in this book of the chapter dealing with the heraldry of these people in comparison to today's symbolism. So, book that I would highly recommend. Go ahead.
That would be one of the links. The book. There's more than one link in that book. One of the links is heraldry. We find the tribes of Israel all have certain instances in heraldry. We find that same pictures in England and Saxon Scandinavian heraldry. The same heraldry, you might say, the emblems. So there's a connection there.
And ladies and gentlemen, if you want to find all the links, order the book. It's well worth reading, ordering, having in your library. I am privileged to have Mr. Capp as a guest to give us information that's taken him, 40 years of his life as he's gathered and studied in the field of archaeology. Mr. Capp, I know you have an entire slide presentation called Nothing But the that deals with nothing but the migrations of Israel. And it's called Migrations of Israel.
It's called Migrations of Israel, yes. Mm-hmm.
Now, that slide presentation really put the picture together, so to speak, in the puzzle for me. And I was wondering if sometime you would be willing to come back for another Truth for the Times broadcast and just give that presentation on us.
I'd be very pleased to. Now, some of the slides, of course, would be duplications, the ones that I showed today. But I have a lot more I didn't show. And I give them complete stories starting from Abraham. I'll be sort of overlapping some of the material you go into. But to give the complete story, tracing these people right on through to America.
And I want to thank you for allowing me to use those slides as well, Mr. Capp.
My pleasure.
They're very valuable. And speaking of America, now maybe those in America might understand a little better their roots. You see, the people that came to America, when they came, they read 2 Samuel 7:14, where God had promised another land, a new land. And those people we call the Pilgrims, really then, their roots go all the way back to these Bible characters. And hopefully now you understand concerning the story of the lost tribes of Israel and the roots that go from America all the way back over the Caucasus Mountains to a man named Abraham. Mr. Capp, thank you very much for being here.
My pleasure being here.
I really appreciate that. Hello again. I'm Pastor Peters, and I do hope and pray that you enjoyed the message, Roots from America to Abraham. That message was simply designed to introduce you to a truth that can change your life, that can help you understand the events that are going on in the world today, and that can make the Bible an understandable and applicable book. For those of you that want more truth on this subject, more information, we have some books to offer you. Years ago, I wrote this book called The Greatest Discovery of Our Age. It is written from a biblical standpoint. It also has some additional appendixes in it, but it will help you in discovering this truth. Many people have found this truth simply by reading that book. It's available for a $3 offering. Ray Capp himself wrote a small book called The Abrahamic Covenant. The Abrahamic Covenant, a study outline of the identity of God's people. And Ray Capp has done a superb job in putting the whole truth into a small package in this little booklet, which is available also for a $2 offering. Ray Capp's book called Missing Links Discovered approaches this truth from a standpoint of history and archaeology, heraldry, language, and so forth. It's a superb book to have on your library shelf. It's available for a $10 offering. Now, for those of you that are Bible scholars, I want to recommend a book that helped me find this truth from a biblical perspective. The book is called Judah's Scepter and Joseph's Birthright. It was written by J.H. Allen in 1901, and it does a superb job of taking you from the book of Genesis, right from there all the way through God's covenant that He made with Abraham to the New Testament Scriptures, and it will give you an understanding of the Bible you've never seen before. Now, this book is a little bit heavy reading. It's for those that are Bible scholars and are wanting to sit down and prove whether or not the things that we have said are so. For those of you that would like to know the greatest love story never told, this is a book that I have written which will introduce you to the greatest love story never told. Do you know about God's marriage to His wife and her unfaithfulness and the divorce and how He promised to remarry and how the new Christian covenant fits into all of this story? Well, this is a book that you need to read if you don't know the greatest love story never told. These books are available. The Greatest Love Story is available for a $5 offering. The Judah's Scepter and Joseph's Birthright for an $8 offering. And if you want to write to us for additional information or for these books, our mailing address is Truth for the Times, P.O. Box 766, LaPorte, Colorado, 80535. And you know it's time that this truth be told, and it is being told, and we pray that you find it. Thank you.